You speak, I type.
Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video with the Raspberry Pi. You speak, I type. This is our first attempt in building a speech-to-text system using Whisper AI models. In this video, we will walk you through setting up the Raspberry Pi board and our demo setup. Let's get started. Welcome to CocoaWatt. We need an operating system for our board, Raspberry Pi OS. We will flash it onto the SD card to get started. I have a 128 GB SD card here and also an adapter. I will provide the link to it in the description. To program the SD card, I will be using my laptop. I will insert the SD card into the adapter and then connect it to the laptop. To install the operating system, we use Raspberry Pi Imager. First, we visit the official Raspberry Pi website and navigate to the software section. Here we see different download options for macOS, Linux, and Windows. Since I am using Windows, I download the appropriate version of the Imager. The downloading process will take some time, so I will fast forward this part. Now we need to install Raspberry Pi Imager. The installation is simple, just follow the instructions. Once the installation is complete, we will launch Raspberry Pi from Start menu. Next, we have to select our board. In my case, it's Raspberry Pi 5. Then we choose the operating system. I am selecting the 64-bit version. After that, we select our SD card. However, you might notice that the SD card is write protected. First, check if the write protection slider on the adapter is in the correct position. If it is already in the right position and you still face issues, follow these instructions. Open the command prompt as administrator. Type diskpart and press enter to open the disk partition tool. Type list disk and press enter. This will display all connected drives. Identify your SD card from the list and type select disk and disk number. Now type attributes disk clear read only and press enter. This will remove the write protection. Once done, restart the Raspberry Pi Imager and try writing the OS again. This time it should be successful. Once the writing is done, it will verify the content and the OS will be ready on your SD card. Now we need to remove the SD card from the adapter and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. To learn more about the Raspberry Pi peripherals and assembling to this case, please check out this video on the description. Now our Raspberry Pi OS is ready. Let's move into speech to text conversion part. Whisper is an automatic speech recognition system trained on 680,000 hours of multilingual and multitask supervised data collected from the web. The Whisper architecture is a simple end-to-end approach implemented as an encoder-decoder transformer. Input audio is split into 30-second chunks, converted into a log-ML spectrogram, and then passed into an encoder. A decoder is trained to predict the corresponding text caption, intermixed with special tokens that direct the single model to perform tasks such as language identification, face-level timestamps, multilingual speech transcription, and to English speech translation. So in our demo, we have a Python script that converts your audio to 10 seconds chunks of files and save. It will be saved in .wav format. Whisper AI will process these audio files as explained before and will convert it as text. All these Python scripts used will be available in GitHub. Let's just see its demo now. The script to convert your audio to 10-second chunks of files will be run here. Here the AI script will run to convert your audio to text. We expect our output will be printed here. Let's see. Now let's record an audio. Start. Infinite riches are all around you if you will open your mental eyes and behold the treasure house of infinity within you. There is a gold mine within you from which you can extract everything you need to live life gloriously, joyously, and abundantly. Stop. Let's see how this is get converted. Now let's see what is the output, how it converted our audio. It will be printed here. Yeah, see exactly what we talked. Whisper AI converts exactly what we talked. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see many more projects with Raspberry Pi in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel.